Hi guys, it's me, Deb Campus again. I want to welcome you to my channel. And today I wanted to tell you guys how I was able to make my sleeping bag for my dog. Hello again. I wanted to show you guys how I was able to make a sleeping bag for my dog. First of all, I need to tell you guys why I decided to do this. My dog, she is about 12 inches tall and about 10 pounds. So it's a tiny dog. But I take her everywhere with me. We go hiking, we go backpacking, just everywhere. And she loves it. But I saw that when I went backpacking with her for a few times that she got really cold. And she would just sneak into my sleeping bag and she would try to sleep at my foot in the foot box, and I would just get scared. I didn't know if she was even breathing down there. So plus I didn't get a good night's sleep because it was too tight. I couldn't move, and every time I moved or she moved, I woke up, and it was just a mess. So what I did is just I went online and I started to search for sleeping bags for dogs, and to my surprise there aren't many. I think I found 2 or 3. Very expensive. They were probably about in the $90 to $100. So that was way too much for me to spend. So I started thinking how I can make a sleeping bag to my dog. She's small. So what I did is I went to Walmart and I bought me a sleeping bag for child size. So it's called the OZARK Trail Youth Camp Sleeping Bag. I'm gonna put the picture right here, and it is a sleeping bag that I can accommodate a child of 5 feet, 5'2", if I'm not wrong. So I will put all the links that you guys need below, but it's simple. You can also look on Amazon. I'm gonna try to put some links from Amazon if I find any youth sleeping bag. It can only be, any small bag for children will work as long as it's warm. Also, if you have a bigger dog, then you may not even have to do anything to the sleeping bag. Just use the sleeping bag as it is for your dog. So here is Kiwi's sleeping bag. It is very comfortable. It opens actually all sides and it closes, so she loves it. I actually have to hide it from her because she's been trying to use it at home. So here it is, and all she does is just go inside, and if I have an extra flannel or anything, I'll just put it in there too for her to get warmer even. But like I said, it's very simple, easy to do, and I'm gonna start explaining to you on the steps following this video on how to cut. You have to cut in a certain way. Sew it by hand. Doesn't need to be with a machine. But the most tricky part is just the zipper, because you need to be able to stop right here. So here what I did is I first laid flat the sleeping bag on the floor so I could have a good place to work on. And after that I took measurements from my dog, and she's 12 inches high. So what I did is I measured on the sleeping bag, and I ended up giving more room to it, so I marked above it, and I marked at the seam actually, so she would have enough room. This right here, it's what I made sure is that I opened the zipper before I cut where I marked. So the zipper was opened all the way down. After that, I cut it just straight through at that third seam that you can see on the bag. That way it would be easier for me to stitch it afterwards. So here you can see a little closer how it looked. I cut it right like probably half an inch above the seam, and that's what was left for me to work on. And then I started by the zipper. I just made a lot of stitches in one side of the zipper so it would create a stop. You can also buy stops at the at Joann's. And then I just sew it through all the way by hand. And that's it's what you have. You know, you end up having a really nice bag. That's Kiwi already sitting on her bag, and she loved it. She really enjoys it. And then I actually had to end up hiding it from her because she wants to sleep on it every day now. So it's very simple, and you can adjust to any size of any dog. And if it's a big dog, you can actually just leave it as it is. So there you go, guys. Here is again my dog's sleeping bag. And I hope if you guys have any questions, please put it in the comment below. Let me know. Or if you have any suggestions, maybe you made your own sleeping bag, and I would love to know how you got to yours. But mine, I was able to do it this way. And I hope that you guys can get some help on this, because now more and more we are taking our little dogs out for backpacking or camping. And it is important that they're comfortable. It is important that we know their limitations and we don't put them, through a lot of tough times. Otherwise, they'll just get sick. With this bag, I can put her inside and I can just, make her comfortable and let me sleep too, because it's hard. But like I said, but if you have a bigger dog, you can also use the entire bag for your dog. Another thing I wanted to tell you, just don't forget to maybe add another pad of insulation underneath the bag. Even a plastic, a Mylar little piece of plastic that you can buy at, it's like an aluminum reflector. You can buy it at Home Depot or Lowe's. And that's it. That's all your dog needs. And you guys both can have a good time. Uh, Build some good memories with your kids and your pets, and I hope you have fun. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and let me know if you have any more comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!